Okay, my friend, you say you're having tail problems. So first thing we're going to do is unplug 2 wires from the motor. I'm going to plug up the helicopter. And now I'm in heading hold mode. I'm going to put mine in rate mode, or turn off the gyro if you have a switch. Okay. Now, when I slap my rudder stick right here, watch how my tail reacts. See that? Bounces back. Yours should do the same thing. Now, then put it back in heading hold. The tail will stay to one side. And you really shouldn't hear any buzzing, like you hear mine buzzing there. I need to decrease my limit or else I'm going to damage my servo. See, it doesn't do it to that side. Okay. Now, let's say yours is not bouncing back like mine is. Most likely you could have bent your tail shaft. So what we need to do next is pop this linkage off of the tail lever back here. Like that. And then see if your tail moves as freely as mine does. It should move just like that too. And I like this tail. You see I use metal pitchforks, metal pitch slider, and I was going to upgrade to the aligned tail pitch slider, but this one has very little play. Looks like I might can tighten it up a little bit, but looks like it's missing the spacer in there the way that's moving. There you go, right there. And just barely a little play in that tail. So anyway, I hope that helps you out. Another thing, it seems like you're hovering perfect for a minute, and then it starts spinning around on you. Ooh! Check and make sure your tail servo's not getting warm. And if your tail servo is mounted on the boom like this, then you have to do my tail setup procedure in rate mode and fold your tail like that. And I'll have to send you a video of that if this here doesn't help you, so let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.